Hello dear student, this is Kavita Bhattad teaching you basic chemistry. We are in third unit and already have gone through certain non-metallic engineering material like paint, varnishes and insulators. Now in this we are in next non-engineering material, that is polymers. That is welcome into the world of polymer. So first we will see the meaning of polymer and monomer, and then we will enter into polymer. So I think you all are familiar with the word poly. Poly means many, mer means unit. Poly means many, mer means unit. When many units join to each other, it gives polymer. Okay? And whatever a unit in the polymer is there, that is a monomer. Got it? Poly means many, mer means unit, and that one unit is called as monomer. Mono means one unit, which joins again and again, which repeats again and again and gives polymer. Now that can be better understood by means of this animation. That is, these are small units, they are linking to each other and giving a polymer. That is small monomer units with red and black, and they are linking with each other and giving you polymer. Now, number of polymers are there around us. Some of them are natural, some of them are synthetic. Like, for example, silk, cotton, etc. These are natural polymers. And if you will think of plastic, then it is what? Artificial polymer. So, first we will classify polymer based on certain things. So, based on certain things, polymers are classified into 4 categories. Which are they? First one is on the basis of their occurrence, means how they occurs. म्हणजे ते कसे मिळतात आपल्याला. If they occurs naturally from either animal or plant, then they are natural polymer. Like example is silk, from silkworm, then protein, cellulose, starch. These are polymers. Then synthetic polymers, which are totally artificially prepared. Like example is plastic, fibers, rubber, etc. Rubbers are of again 2 types. It may be a natural or synthetic one. Second variety of classification is based on their monomer. That is how monomers they have, or monomer involved, or how the monomer involved is. First is homopolymer. Homo means same. If all monomer involved are same, then that is called as homopolymer. Example is polyethylene. In polyethylene, all monomer involved are ethylene only, and hence it is a polyethylene. That is homopolymer. Second is PVC. PVC, I am talking about the same PVC pipe. Long form is polyvinyl chloride. The monomer is vinyl chloride. It comes number of time, hence it is polyvinyl chloride. Again it is a homopolymer. Second is heteropolymer. Hetero means different, or you may call them as a copolymers. It means they have more than one monomer. They have more than one repeating unit. Example is variety of nylons. In our syllabus, we will go for bakelite, epoxy resins, polyesters, polystyrene, etc. Now, next classification is on the basis of their structure. That is how the polymers are. If they have only 2 active sides, means they are strengthening from 2 sides only, then they are linear chain polymer. And if they are strengthening or they are creating a cage, they are creating a network, more branching, more cross-link, it means they are cross-link or network or branch polymer. They have more than 2 active sides, means they have 3, 4, 5 active sides. फॉर एक्झाम्पल जसं मी म्हटलं की एखादी चेन आहे, साखळी आहे, तर साखळी किती दिशांनी वाढते? 2 दिशांनी. आणि मी म्हटलं जाळं आहे, तर जाळं किती दिशांनी वाढते? 2 पेक्षा जास्त दिशांनी. मग त्या 3 असू शकतात, 4 असू शकतात, 5 असू शकतात. Remember guys, why I make this as a bold? Because in exam you may have question that ki classification of polymer on the basis of structure and names are given. So you need to select 2 names like linear and cross-link, or linear or branch, linear or network. Or question may be, how will you classify polymer, linear and cross-link? So you need to classify them on the basis of structure. Fourth variety of classification is on the basis of their thermal character. Very simple example I will quote here over here. If you will ऑब्झर्व रॅक पिकर, भंगारवाला आपल्याकडून भंगारचं सामान घेतोय, तर काही व्हरायटीचं प्लास्टिक तो घेतोय आणि काही व्हरायटीचं प्लास्टिक तो घेत नाही. मग तो जे घेतोय ते रिसायकलचं आहे, रिसायकलेबल आहे, रियुजेबल आहे, रिक्लेम आहे. आणि सम व्हरायटी की जे यूज अँड थ्रो आहे, की ज्याला कोणी परचेस करत नाही, दॅट इज नॉन रियुजेबल. So what they are called as? They are either called as thermoplastic, that is thermosoftening plastic. They are reusable, recyclable. They soften on heating and can be reshaped. Whereas second one is thermosetting plastic, which are non-reusable, which sets, decomposes on heating. Thermo means heat. जे heat देऊन परत reshape केले जाऊ शकतात ते थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स आहेत किंवा थर्मोसॉफ्टनिंग आहे. आणि जे हीट केल्यानंतर डिकम्पोज होत आहेत, संपून जात आहेत, vanish होत आहेत, they are thermosetting plastic. Okay. Now in our syllabus we are having basically two polymerization reactions, that is addition polymerization and condensation polymerization. In this we will focus only on addition polymerization. Addition, add means to mix with nothing to eliminate. म्हणजे मी जे टाकलंय ते फक्त ऍड होतंय, काहीच फेकलं जात नाही. That is addition. That is in this polymerization monomer added are same and they all add to give you a single polymer which is linear with no elimination. All monomers are similar and you may need help of catalyst like pressure, temperature. This is the exothermic reaction. Heat is liberated and fast too. Example for this is polyethylene. Polyethylene साठी मी एक्झाम्पल दिले की मोनोमर इथिलीन आहे, हाच इथिलीन खूप वेळा एकमेकाला लिंक होतो आणि तुम्हाला पॉलिइथिलीन मिळतंय. तसं टेफ्लॉन साठी मी म्हणते की टेट्राफ्लोरोइथिलीन आहे, TFE, जे खूपदा एकमेकाला लिंक होतंय आणि तुम्हाला काय मिळतंय, PTFE मिळते, पॉलीटेट्राफ्लोरोइथिलीन. दॅट कॅन बी बेटर अंडरस्टूड with the help of a animation which is running. हे इथिलीन मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत, these are इथिलीन मॉलिक्युल्स. ऍक्टिव्ह साइड्स तयार होत आहेत, फेकल्या जात आहेत आणि आता हे ब्रांचिंग होतंय दोन दिशांनी, वन साइड अँड सेकंड साइड. असं ब्रांचिंग होत 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 फक्त तुम्ही पाहताय की सगळीकडे दोन दिशा आहेत वाढण्याच्या. कार्बन किती दिशांनी वाढतोय, टू साइडनी वाढतोय आणि त्यामुळे हा पॉलिमर कसा आहे, होमोपॉलिमर आहे विथ टू ऍक्टिव्ह साइड्स. With two active sides, that is you are observing carbon is with double bond when it is in ethylene and two active sides are observed, that is from this side and from this side. That is, now observe animation carefully. Now you will observe double bond is broken now and polymers are formed. As all involved monomers are ethylene, hence it is polyethylene. Same will be for TFE, that is polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE. In place of hydrogen only there will be presence of fluorine. Remember guys, in case of polymer formation, monomer must have presence of multiple bond, because you are observing multiple bond gets broken and it creates active sides. If all are single bond, then there will be no active linking or active side formation. It means for formation of active side, there must be presence of multiple bond with monomer. Now again we will have one more animation for you, that is PVC. हा पॉलीविनिल, हा विनिल क्लोराइड आहे, CH2 CHCl, CH2 CHCl. त्याचा हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक होतोय, इट कम्स आउट, इकडून वाढणार आहे, इकडून पण वाढणार आहे. परत एकदा किती ऍक्टिव्ह साइड्स दिसतात तुम्हाला, टू ऍक्टिव्ह साइड्स दिसतात. सी हिअर अगेन, हा CH2 CHCl ह्याही दिशेने वाढतोय आणि ह्याही दिशेने वाढतोय. यू नीड टू ऑब्झर्व दिस कीनली, म्हणजे थोडं बारीक बघा की जेणेकरून तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की ऍडिशन पॉलिमरायझेशन मध्ये नेमकं काय होतंय. Some more examples are there like polystyrene, in which monomer is styrene, which polymerizes to give you polystyrene, that is C6H5CH2. You need to, as you are going to face multiple choice question, so you have to prepare accordingly. That is what will be the monomer of polystyrene. बऱ्याच वेळेस मोनोमरचं नाव त्याच्या पॉलिमर मध्येच असतं, पॉलिस्टायरीन मध्येच स्टायरीन नाव आहे, PVC मध्येच VC नाव आहे, पॉलिइथिलीन मध्येच इथिलीन नाव आहे. म्हणजे प्रोबॅबली मॅच द पेअर जरी आले तर ते इझी असतात. ओनली यू नीड टू हॅव प्रेझन्स ऑफ माइंड. These polymers are also called as homopolymer and the plastic obtained is thermoplastic. म्हणजे हे रियुजेबल प्लास्टिक आहे, रिसायकल केलं जाऊ शकतं, रिशेप केलं जाऊ शकतं. इज इट ओके? इज इट ओके गाईज? That is addition polymerization. Monomers get added, no side product. all monomers are same. The obtained plastic is thermoplastic, homoplastic and reusable. Example is polyethylene, PTFE, polytetrafluoroethylene, PVC, polystyrene. Okay, go through video for a couple of times so that you will get some more idea. Thank you. In our next video, we'll go for second type of polymerization, that is condensation polymerization. Thank you guys.